I'm going to share with you really practical tools that you will add to your leadership toolkit now and for life. What would be your word that you are striving for as a team and as a leader? Type that word in there, because this is my challenge to you. Find a way to connect with that word already before our session is even over. Self-care will be the new healthcare. Imagine as a leader, you're the one that is bringing that self-care approach through the way you practice leading your team and the way you role model it for other teams, the way you encourage peer-to-peer recognition, collaborative, adaptable. These are all self-care words. Let's talk about the reasons why recognition is so important. It is universal. It is needed for us to do our best work. It is the thing that connects us in our shared experience. When we're struggling, when we're doing well, we need to have people paying attention to us. And then finally, it's easy. I'm going to share with you all kinds of strategies that you can use because I know you're busy. You do not have time for a bunch of new things on your list. I'm going to actually encourage you to think about ways in which you're already connecting in with your team and just turn up the dial on appreciation and acknowledgement. If you simply tell people thank you more, they will do more of whatever you're thanking them for. Think about who is somebody that has gone above and beyond. You're so impressed at how they have been able to perform despite all of the challenges. That person, if you tell them, and you may have already told them, so which is great, but if you have not made it explicitly clear to that person how well they're doing and exactly why, I encourage you as one of your challenges today to make sure that they know, because they will always keep trying to prove you right. Because here's the thing, I think we can all agree, the person who feels appreciated will always do more than is expected. I never knew work could feel so good. It's because I realized if I can still love who I work with and who I work for during COVID, and we can rebuild the ways in which we communicate and to show we value each other now, then I don't want to go anywhere else.